Hello, my name is Ayushman. I am a student of class 10 at Ronald Memorial High School. Today, in this video, I am going to tell you how the human digestive system works. Digestion starts when we see the food and our salivary glands secrete saliva. Saliva consists of an enzyme called amylase, which starts breaking down the carbohydrates right in our mouth. The food is chewed and converted into a small slimy substance called the bolus, which is then transported into the stomach from the esophagus, which has few wave-like movement called the peristaltic movement or peristalsis. In the end of the esophagus, there is a sphincter called lower esophagus sphincter, which lets the food go into the stomach in required amounts. In the stomach, there are few enzymes called HCl, which converts pepsinogen into pepsin, and pepsin converts proteins into amino acids. Lipase is also present, which converts fats to fatty acids, and also ancentric factors are present, which break down vitamins and minerals. Here, the food is converted into chyme. There is also another sphincter called the pyloric sphincter, which helps to send only required amounts of chyme into the duodenum. In the duodenum, the gallbladder and the liver secrete their juices and enzymes. Here, the proteins are completely converted into amino acids, the fats are completely broken into fatty acids and glycerol, and also the carbohydrates are completely broken down to glucose, sucrose. From here, the food goes into the next two sections of the small intestine, the jejunum and ileum, where there are small finger-like projections called villi, which are very small and increase the surface area of the intestine. They consist of numerous numbers of blood capillaries which absorb the nutrients from the chyme. After this, the food goes into the large intestine, where the leftover water and fiber is completely absorbed. After this process, the food becomes completely useless, which is called the stool, and then it goes into the rectum. Then all this comes out of our body through the process of excretion from the anus. Thank you. Hope you learned something new from this video.